Hello students, today we are going to learn about 3-digit multiplication. So let's start one by one. Type 1. First one is 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. Right? In this type, we multiply 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay. Now take an example. First, multiply 387 by 5. Okay, let's see how to solve it. Write this bigger number first, that is 387, and below which write the smaller number, that is 5. Okay, now in this multiplication we multiply this lower number to above number from right to left. Okay, from this side to this side. Okay, now multiply 7 by 5. What will we get? 7 5s are 35, right? 7 5s are 35. Write this unit digit here and take this 3 as carry and write above the second number. Okay, now multiply this second number by 5, right? What will we get? 8 5s are 40, right? And 40 plus 3. Now add this 3 carry in this multiplication of 8 and 5. As we know that 8 5s are 40, plus add this carry 3, we will get 40 plus 3 43, right? Now write this last digit here, that is 3, and take this 4 as carry and write above the next number, that is above the 3. Okay, now multiply this number by 5, right? What will we get? 5 3s are 15, right? Or you can take as 3 5s are 15, right? Both will be same. 5 3s are 15, right? Now add this 4 into multiplication of 3 and 5, right? So 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4 is 90. So when we multiply 387 by 5, what will we get? 1935. Okay, now take one more example. Consider number 287 and multiply this number by 7. Okay, now as we have seen earlier, we multiply above number by this below number from right to left, from this side, right? Now here multiply 7 into 7. 7 into 7, what will we get? 7 7s are 49. Okay, write this last digit here and take this number as carry and write above the next number, right? That is here. Now multiply 8 by 7. What will we get? 8 7s are 56, right? Now add carry in this 56. 56 plus 4, what will we get? 60, right? Now write this last digit here and take this 6 as a carry and write above the next number, right? Now multiply 2 by 7, right? Well, what will we get? 2 sevens are 14, or you can take 7 into 2, that is 14, right? 2 sevens are 14. Now add this 6 in 14, right? What will we get? 14 plus 6, 20, right? That is, when you multiply 287 by 7, you will get 2009. Okay, have you understood? Let's take one more example. Consider the number 985 and multiply this number by 6. Okay, now how will we do it? Multiply 5 by 6, right? What is 5 6 are? 5 6 are 30, right? Write 0. 5 6 are 30, right? Write this last digit here and take this number as carry and write above the next number, right? Now take multiplication of this number, 8 into 6, right? What will we get? 8 6 are 48. Then add this carry, right? You have to add. Okay, so what will we get? 48 plus 3, 51. Okay, now write this last digit here and take this number as carry and write above the next number, right? Now take multiplication of 9 and 6. What will we get? 9 6 are 54, right? And now add this carry in 54. 54 and carry is here 5. This is carry, right? 54 plus 5, 59. Then write this here, 59. Okay, that is, when we multiply 985 by 6, we get 5910. Okay, now I will give you 3 example and you have to solve it. Okay, practice. First, multiply 725 by 4. Second, 681 multiplied by 9. And third one example, 524 multiplied by 8. Okay, solve these 3 questions and write your answer in comment section. Okay, now let's take type 2, that is 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Okay, now take an example. Let's consider example. Multiply 621 by 25, right? While solving this multiplication question, always write bigger number first. Okay, here the bigger number is 621. Write this first, and below this number write the smaller number. Right here the smaller number is 25. And now take the multiplication, right? Here, as we have seen, previous method, 3 digit by 1 digit, we have to solve this like this, step by step. Okay, now multiply 5 to this number one by one. As we have seen earlier, we multiply from right to left, right, from this side. Okay, first we will multiply 1 by 5, then 2 by 5, then 6 by 5. Okay, now solve it. Let's solve it. Okay, 5 here, 5 ones are 5, right? 1 into 5 is 5. As we have seen that here is only one digit, right? So here is no carry, so we will write 5 as it is here, as there is no carry. Okay, now multiply this 2 by 5. What will we get? 2 into 5, 5 2s are 10, right? Here, as we have seen, here are 2 digits. Now take this last digit, that is 0, take it here, and now take 1 as carry and write above the next number, right? Here we will write it on 6, right? Because we have get this carry after multiplication of 2 and 5, so we will write the carry above the next number. The next number of 2 is 6, right? Now multiply 6 by 5. What will we get? 6 5s are 30, right? Now what will we do if there is carry? We add this carry, right? That is 30 plus 1, right? 31, right? As here are two numbers, write this last digit here and take this 3 carry. Okay, here as we have seen here, the numbers are finished, so write this 31 as it is, right? Here you don't need to take carry because here number are finished, right? After 6 there is no number, therefore 6 5s are 30, right? And plus 1 is 31. Okay, now but this is the only first step. In second step, we write here 0. Always take 0 when you multiply more than one digit, that is here are 2 digits, right? So this first step we have solved by multiplicating only 5, right? Now we have to multiply above number by 2, right? So for second step, always write 0 below the last digit. Okay, now take multiplication like we multiplied 5 to above number, right? Now we will multiply by 2 to this number, right? What will we get? 2 ones are 2, right? Here as we can see that only one digit, therefore no need to take carry. There is no carry, right? So we will write this 2 as it is. Okay, now multiply this second number by this 2, right? Here 2 2s are 4, right? Now multiply this last number by 2. What will we get? 6 2s are 12, right? And now add this 2 number, right? We have to add this 2 number, right? You have to take care here. You have to write digit below digit, right? You have to always write digit below digit, right? In proper manner. Now add this number. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 1 plus 4, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. And here as we can see here, there is nothing. So you can write, you have to take this one as it is, right? Now that is when you multiply 621 by 25, what will we get? 15,525. 15,525. Okay, now let's take one more example. example 2. Multiply 736 by 39. Okay, let's solve it. How do we solve? We always take bigger number first. That is here, bigger number is 736, right? So we will write bigger number first, right? Below which we take this second number. Then we write a multiplication sign, right? Now we multiply this number from right to left side. Okay, first multiply all this number by this 9. Okay, now here multiply 6 by 9. What will we get? 6 multiplied by 9. 6 9s are 54, right? You can see here 2 digits are there, so write this last digit, that is unit digit, here, and take this number, next number as carry, and write above the next number. Right here we get 54 after taking multiplication of 6 and 9. Right now we will write this 5 as carry on the next number of 6, right here. Right now multiply 3 by 9. Okay, 3 9s are 27. Right now as here carry is there, right? Now add this carry in 27. 27 plus 5, what will we get? 32. Right, when you add 5 to the 27, you will get 32. Right, as here 2 digits are present, right? Write this unit digit here, right, and take this number as carry and write above the next number, that is on 7. Okay, now multiply 7 by 9. What will we get? 7 multiplied by 9. 7 9s are 63. Right, now add this carry in 63. What will you get? 63 plus 3. Right, 3 plus 3 6. Here 6. Right, 66. Right, as here you can see it is the last digit, so directly write 66 here. Right, now in second step what will we do? We always take, as here you can see we are multiplying 3 digit by 2 digit. Right, now we have multiplied by this 9 and we have get this number. Right, now we will multiply 736 by 3. Right, so always take here 0. Right, now multiply 6 by 3, like we have multiplied this number by 9. Right, similarly you have to now multiply the above number by 3. What will you get? 6 3s are 18. Right, 6 3s are 18. Right, 6 into 3, it is 18. Right, here are 2 digits. Now write this last digit here. Right, we have written it. Right, now take this one as carry. Right, as you can see here we have taken here carry present, which was gotten from previous number. Right, now here the carry, write this here. Okay, now multiply 3 into 3. What will we get? 3 3s are 9. Okay, now add this 1 in the number. Right, here we have get 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Now add this 1 in 9. What will we get? 9 plus 1 is 10. Right, as here 2 digits are present, now take this last digit as it is. Okay, and take this remaining number as carry. Right, here the second number is also 1. right? Now multiply 7 by 3, right? 7 into 3, 7 3s are 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21, right? Now add this 1 in 21, 21 plus 1, what will we get? 22, right? Here you can see that number are finished, right? So therefore write 22 as it is here, but you have to take care that you have to write digit below digit, right? So we will write 22 like this. Okay, here we have written digit below digit. Now add these two numbers, what will we get? 4 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 8, that is 10, right? Carry 1, right? 6 plus 1, 7, right? 6 plus 2, 8, and this 2 as it is, right? That is, when we multiply 736 by 39, what will we get? This is the answer, right? And it is read as 28,704. What is the answer? 28,704. Okay. Now I will give you example to solve it. Okay. Multiply 335 by 15. Second example, 295 by 33 and 175 by 22, right? Now solve these three questions and write your answer in comment section below. Okay. Thank you, students.